Hi, I'm Kobe McConnell, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. If you live in Palm Harbor and are having a problem with termites, I found something in the field today I think you'll find helpful. I wanted to share with you a sound that no homeowner ever wants to hear. See if you can tell what this is. Still not sure? Listen again. Let me give you a clear picture. Don't wait until it's too late. This is the sound you really want to hear. The sound of silence. So, if you live in Palm Harbor and are having a problem with termites, give us a call today. 727-462-0400. Once again, my name's Kobe McConnell, president of Kobe's Tentless Termite and Pest Control. But as long as God keeps making them, we'll keep killing them. I hope you found this video helpful, and you have a great day.